Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve 12 divided 3 bracket 2 plus 2. This looks simple, but still many people fail to solve because they did not take a right approach. They solve it like this: 2 plus 2 as 4 and 4 times 3 as 12 and 12 divided by 12 as 1, which is the incorrect answer. Yes, you heard it right, because this is not a right approach to solve. When you have given multiple operation like division, bracket, and in bracket there is an addition sign, then you have to follow order of operation, which is also known as PEMDAS rule. Comment down below in your country what you called it. As per this rule, first you have to solve the parenthesis, that means this bracket, then exponent if given, then multiplication and division both have same priority, but you have to solve it from left to right. Similarly, addition and subtraction. So first solve the parenthesis. So 12 divided by 3, 2 plus 2 is 4, and if there is no sign, then put the multiplication. Now what people do, they think that multiplication and division have same priority, so they multiply 3 and 4 and then divide it by 12. But no, we have to solve it from left to right. So 12 divided by 3 times 4. 12 divided by 3 is 4 and 4 times 4 is 16. So what is the correct answer? 16, not 1. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.